بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. This is part 4 in our course. We reached here. We make every connections exist. For today's lesson I would like to show you how we can check our connections is they are okay or not. Okay. After we make connections, we have to check the class checking for every one of the connections. For example, let's say if we take these two connections, and we see if they are okay or not. Just select everything and class checking. As you see, we don't have any problems here. But when we have a problem, it will appear in collisions. Let's say this one. Let's try this again. There's no problem with this connection also. Let me try this one. Yes, for now for this one I have a problem with this. And what is the problem? Let me see it very well. If I want to make only this connection, so it's pretty easy, as we said before, from here and click one of the joint parts, space 3 times, and it will appear only this connection. Okay, after that I can select it and class checking. As you see, I have some problem with that. If you look at these red lines, this is the problem. What is this problem? As we know, in reality we have this beam. It has a filled here. So let me change this one. Let me close this one first and double click on the beam, on this beam. Double click on this beam and display type exact with features. As you see, we have this fillet in reality. If you look at here, you see the plate go inside this fillet, so the plate went inside the beam. So how we can solve this problem? I can just click here, right click and joint properties. Go to plate and bolts and vertical bolts. As you see, this is not the master one, so I have to change this to upgrade to master, because we made this all of them in one group, so I have to upgrade to master. And after that I can change the thing that I want. Okay, from here I want to maybe 30 millimeters from each side, from up and bottom, from top and bottom. As you see now, if I check again for class checking, I have to see clashing, found no errors. So I solved this problem for now. Just close it and change back this to standard. That's very good. After that, all visible. And now I can copy these beams with their connections. Just select everything like this and go to advanced copy and copy, but make sure that you selected include additional connections. Click here from this point to this point, and number of copies I have 2, because I have 2 span, 1, 2. So just click preview. As you see, it's like this. So okay, again select everything, only secondary beams, again advanced copy, and click from this point to that point. I don't want like this small differential. I can uncheck this and this. I want only in y direction, and I have 1, 2, 3. I have to copy it 3 times and preview. Now everything is okay, so just click OK. As you see now, I have copied everything, every secondary beams. I copied everything. Okay. After that, what can I do? I make class checking for the connections, and I have to put another connection, which is the baseplate connection. From here, baseplate, just select the one of the columns. And do you want to select additional concrete objects? Because I don't want to put a concrete foundation, so I say no. After that, from here, I don't want to this is properties. If you have sometimes some connections has more than one, you can select switch between them. Library, as I said before, when we have stored data, we can store from, in library, or we can go to joint design to design the joint. Baseplate, the baseplate I want to be about 15 millimeters, maybe is okay for base plates. About the set out, I want to be total, not projections, and the direction in by the column, and I don't want any shortening, because sometimes when you want to shorten the column, you can shorten with plate thickness or with a value. Okay, about the dimensions, what I have, my beam is 150 by 300, so let me say 400 this one, and this one maybe 22. This is maybe okay. It's up to design, and after that we can change the diameter whatever we want. Parallel, this is 2 and 1.150 is okay, and this maybe we say 3 and 120 is okay. Don't know if it's okay or not. No, it's not okay. If I want to increase the I want to put these two bolts here, I have to go to plate dimensions, and this, let's say 500, and after that go back here, maybe 150 is okay. No, again not. 180, sorry. I think now is okay, or maybe 220 centimeters between them. Yes, now it's okay. Now it's very good. We can decrease this dimension. Maybe 130 or 120 is okay. Yes, just like this. Anyhow, after that, I will copy this connection. Sorry, this connection to the rest of the connections. Again, if before I copy this one, I can go to advanced joint properties, and I can put some stiffeners if I want. For example, shim plate or web stiffener. Let's say both sides if we want, and this the stiffener thickness, let's say 10 millimeters. The stiffener width, let's say 10 centimeters, which is 100 and 150 here. And this corner finish is 20 I think is okay, or not, maybe 10 is okay. The weld thickness is 4 millimeters. The type of double filled weld, as you see, it's like this, and we can chamfer outside by, let's say, 100 by 100. It's like this. Or I can, if I want to a triangular, I have to put the same dimension of the height here. Okay, so it will be like this. Let's say this is okay, and after that, you can put some extra for web if we want, or whatever if we want for here, for example, from outside. But if we choose this one, we have to move the welds, the bolts, sorry. So I don't want to put this one. Let's say this connection is okay for us. After that, just copy with a group, select this one and select the connection part, space, and after that we can select the columns. I select this 3, and I'll select here by window the rest, and just hit enter or space. Okay, now everything is okay. It's very good now. Now everything is okay. I can copy these beams, or what's that? I'm sorry. I have to change back the UCS to world, and I can click here. Yes, now everything is okay. I can select every beams here, how many beams I have, and copy it to the top view. Copy to the second story. I select in this direction, and in this direction I'll select again the beams. Like this. And if we want, I want to check if I select everything or not, shift it with the roller of the mouse. So I select every beams, and after that go to advanced copy and go to copy 1, and check these two also. From the point, I can choose the point from here, or I can give it a distance. Let's say from which point? Let's say from this point, because I don't want to my plate or my bolts would be outside the column. So from this point till this point, and it's 4 meter and 40 centimeter. Let's say preview. It needs some time because we have many elements. We have to wait. When it finishes, our model will be large, and if we don't have a powerful computer, maybe it affects on the speed of the model or working, but I will solve this problem after finishing this. Yes, as you see now it's finished everything. Just let's say okay. As you see now our model became large, and we have to solve this issue. How we can, as I said before in my previous tutorials, I said or I solved this problem, how we can solve this problem. We can solve this problem by opening layers. So LI enter, and we can hide some of the things that we don't want. For example, anchors and bolts. I don't need bolts in my model. And what else? Let's say joint boxes we don't need. And what else we can, whatever that you don't want, you can hide from here. Welds maybe. I know I don't need welds also. Working planes maybe. Again, I can hit anything that I don't want. If my model is too large, I can hit also plates. Okay, if I hit plates, it will be more, I can work on it more quickly. Okay, I think it's okay for now. As you see, there's a large difference between these two. Okay, and this is for today. For the next lesson, I would like to for the next lecture, I will show you how we can make numbering, and after that making drawings. So thank you very much.